Since its introduction, iPhone has become the standard for design and ease of use, redefining what's possible on a mobile phone. And now with iPhone 3G, this revolutionary device gets even better, offering even more advanced capabilities. iPhone 3G works with fast 3G cellular and Wi-Fi networks around the world to keep you connected wherever you go. With its integrated GPS technology, iPhone 3G makes it even easier to find where you are and where you're going. iPhone 3G also supports enterprise features like Microsoft Exchange Push Email and Cisco IPsec VPN. And iPhone 3G lets you run the most amazing applications built on the world's most advanced mobile development platform. iPhone 3G combines three products into one small, lightweight device. It's a great mobile phone, a widescreen iPod, and a breakthrough internet communications device with the best email, web browsing, search, and maps applications ever on a mobile phone. At the heart of iPhone 3G is an operating system that's years ahead of other mobile devices. It includes a multi-touch user interface that lets you easily control everything with just the touch of a finger. Over the next 30 minutes or so, I'd like to give you a brief tour of some of the amazing features that make iPhone 3G so revolutionary. One of the first things you'll notice about iPhone 3G is its simple, sculpted design that feels great in your hand. On the left side of iPhone, you'll find a volume up and down button and a silent ringer switch. On the top is the sleep-wake button and the headset jack. On the bottom is the iPod connector, a speaker, and the mic. To unlock iPhone, press the sleep-wake button, then drag the slider to the right. The slider prevents iPhone from being accidentally turned on while in your pocket. This is iPhone's home screen. From here, you can begin using the amazing built-in applications just by tapping on a button such as SMS, Maps, or Weather. Along the bottom of the home screen are the buttons to quickly access the phone, mail, Safari, and iPod features of iPhone. And this is the home button. Pressing the home button at any time from anywhere brings you back to the home screen. You can lock your iPhone by pressing the sleep-wake button. iPhone will still receive calls, and you can listen to music, adjust the volume, and use the stereo headset, but nothing will happen if you touch the screen. To completely power off iPhone, press and hold the sleep-wake button for a few seconds. Then drag the red slider to confirm. iPhone is a revolutionary mobile phone. Making a call is as simple as touching a name. And because iPhone automatically syncs with the address book you already use on your PC or Mac, you have all of your contacts, phone numbers, street addresses, email addresses, and more with you wherever you go. More importantly, you can use this information inside of other iPhone applications like Google Maps, Safari, and Mail. To make a phone call, start by tapping on the phone button. There are 5 buttons along the bottom of the screen so that you can quickly access favorites, recents, your contacts, a numeric keypad, and visual voicemail. You can easily scroll through all of your contacts by flicking up or down, or you can drag your finger along the alphabet on the right to quickly jump to a particular letter. Tapping the status bar will always scroll you back to the top of the list. If you have a lot of contacts in your address book, you can also type the person's name in the search field, and a list of matching names will appear. And if you're using iPhone with Microsoft Exchange, you can even look up contacts within your company's global address list. To call Emily, I'd tap her name, then simply tap on a number to make the call. It's as easy as that. Anytime you're on a call, you can tap mute to mute your line, tap speaker to use the speakerphone, tap the hold button to put the call on hold, or tap keypad to bring up the numeric keypad. You can also create a simple conference call by tapping Add Call, or access information in your address book by tapping Contacts. While on a call, you can also press the Home button at any time to access other iPhone applications. With a 3G or Wi-Fi connection, you can continue your conversation while simultaneously syncing email, surfing the web, or using most any other feature. To return to the call, tap here. When you're done with the call, simply tap End Call. Favorites is a great way to speed dial someone with one tap. To add John Appleseed to my favorites list, I tap the plus button, then his name. You can also edit your favorites list by tapping here. For example, to reorder my list, I touch to the right of a name and drag it to the position I want. And if I want to delete a name from the list, I tap the red circle next to the name, then tap Remove. Recents gives you a list of all the dialed, received, and missed calls. Missed calls are displayed in red, and tapping on the Missed button shows a list of just the missed calls. To return a call, just tap on the name. Tap on the blue arrow to see all of the contact information for that person. Wouldn't it be nice to listen to your voicemails in any order? Wouldn't it also be nice to see the names of the people who've left you a message? Well, with iPhone and visual voicemail, you can. To access visual voicemail, tap the voicemail button. The blue dot lets you know which ones haven't been listened to. You can listen to any voicemail in any order just by tapping on it.
Hi, Bob. It's Anna here from marketing. Can you give me a call when you get out of your meeting? I have a couple new ideas about our brochure.
To repeat a section, you can easily scroll back and play it again.
I have a couple new ideas about.
To return a call from a voicemail, tap the callback button. iPhone's a great widescreen iPod. It has a beautiful 3.5-inch screen that's perfect for displaying your pictures, video podcasts, TV shows, and movies. To use the iPod features, just tap on the iPod button. Just like in the phone application, there are 5 buttons along the bottom. These let you navigate your music library by playlists, artists, songs, as well as easily get to your videos and more. To see your music sorted by artist, tap on the Artist button. Then scroll to find a favorite artist, choose an album, then a song. To see the album's complete track list, tap here. Then tap on any song to switch the track that's playing. The shadow walks faster. Another great way to look at your music library is with CoverFlow, just like in iTunes. CoverFlow lets you enjoy your entire music library using album cover art. To use CoverFlow, all you have to do is rotate your iPhone 90 degrees. iPhone's accelerometer senses the change and automatically switches into CoverFlow. Just flick your finger left and right to find the album you want, tap on it, then tap on the song you want to listen to. And that's CoverFlow. Now let's take a look at video. To access movies, TV shows, music videos, and video podcasts, tap the Videos button. Here you can see a list of all the video content available on your iPhone. To watch a movie, just tap on it. Movies and video play in landscape, so you want to rotate your iPhone. You can double tap to see the movie in full widescreen theatrical aspect ratio. If you want to zoom back into full screen, double tap again. Tap once on the display to bring up the on-screen controls. Tap again to put them away. In addition to purchase movies, you can also rent movies from iTunes and watch them on your iPhone. Rented movies appear here at the top. Each rented movie will have an expiration date, and the time remaining on your rental will show up here. After the movie's rental period ends, it'll be automatically deleted. Wouldn't it be great if you could discover, preview, and get new music on the go? With the iTunes Wi-Fi Music Store, you can. Songs and albums download directly to your iPhone, so you can enjoy them immediately. To access the iTunes Wi-Fi Music Store, your iPhone just needs to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. You could be at home, work, school, Starbucks, or almost any Wi-Fi hotspot. Any music purchased from the iTunes Wi-Fi Music Store will be uploaded to your computer when you sync.